Describe the show to people who have no idea what nuts and bolts is.
Okay. The journey of a young black male trying to find his way through this world. I was just joking.
Nuts and Bolts is the show describing how everything that I think is awesome is made. Mustard.
From what I learned, I make something from it.
So you want to do stop motion?
How close are we to time travel?
Suppose you go in the past, meet your parents before you were conceived, then you would not exist.
Which is kind of sick.
It's completely paradoxically sick.
Yeah. Oh, hell no.
Beat